Hello everyone, welcome to part 183 of Laravel 9 tutorial in which we're creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. Okay, so we are integrating the iyzico payment gateway in Laravel, and this is the final video for the iyzico payment gateway integration. And in this video, we are going to dynamically place our order for the iyzico payment gateway. Here we are going to insert the dynamic values. In the last video, we have seen that we able to place the order with the static values. Okay, these values are provided by the iyzico itself. We have just copied these values from here, the API, okay, that is given here. Okay, we have just copy and made some changes to process these values, and now we are going to make it dynamic. And you can see we have everything is given by the iyzico, like which fields are mandatory and which fields are optional, so you can just follow these steps. Okay, just follow these things I'm going to do straight away here, so that you will get the complete see you will get the complete scenario that how you can handle this kind of thing. Okay, so now, like, this one is the set conversation id, that we can use our order id. Okay, here we are going to use our order id, so I'm going to replace it with our order id, session get order id. Okay, so here the price, we're going to replace it with our price that is also coming in the grand total, so we can replace it with our grand total price, grand total. And here as well, the set paid price also, we are going to replace it with our grand total price that is coming to us. Okay, and also one more thing we need to do at the top, I just forgot, like we need to fetch the order details. Okay, so order details we can fetch with order, and we will also have the order products, so that we can fetch the products as well along with the order details. And here we will simply check for the order id that we are having in session, and this is the order id that we have given here. Okay, so that we will get, and will convert that to array, to convert that to array, it is better to convert to array. Okay, so this one we are going to use. And also we require the name here. Okay, see name we require because let's open the PayPal controller. Okay, so there we have already have used, I think, because I think, okay, leave this one. Okay, because here I think we is required to have the name as well as the surname. Okay, so that's why we need to separate the name, first name and last name we need to separate. So we will use the name array here, explode that name with the with the space, okay. And order details, we are going to pick from the order details. Okay, name, simply we're going to do it like this. Okay, so here now we're going to move further. So basket id also, we are going to put the order id in the basket id as well. Okay, so now see, set callback url. So once you make your website live, you can give one url, like the callback url you're going to make, in which you are going to have the response from the payment gateway. Like after making the payment, you will get the response, and based on that response, you can modify the status of the order, like the payment captured, like we have done in the PayPal as well. Okay, so this is the callback url that you can use after making your website live. Okay, you can use this one to get the response from the EasyPay. It is very simple, and if you will find any issue, you can surely contact me anytime. So set enable installments, this one we will not do anything with this one. Okay, so set id, so this id is the user id, we are going to have the user id here. Okay, so that we are going to get from the order details. Okay, so here we are going to use this dollar order details user id. Okay, so here the user name, okay, name of the user, so that also we will get from the order detail. So I want to show you the order details here that we require now. So we are going to check for the order details, complete order details, that is coming here, so that we can copy all the values there correctly. So here once we click on pay now, and see, we will attach here the model as well, order model. Okay, so we are going to attach here the order model as well. And now see, so we get all the order details here with all the items. Okay, we are getting the complete order details here. Okay, so here we can easily process now, like name, address, whatever, we are going to use all here. So like the same way, but here we are going to use this one, dollar name array 0 and 1, because first name and then last name. Okay, 0, this is for first name, and this is for surname, means last name. Okay, so after that, set GSM number. So GSM number we will keep it same. This one you need to give the GSM number. If you are the Turkey user, then you can only give the GSM number that belongs to the Turkey. Okay, so set email. Set email is the we are going to have the email here as well. You can see the email as well. Okay, so we can use this email here. We can going to replace this with the email like this. Okay, set identity number, we are going to keep it same, because we don't have any identity number, but in Turkey every person is having the identity number that the person can fill up. Okay, and set login, this one is not required. I have just seen from there, from the fields that given there. Okay, you can simply check out the fields here, and some of the fields are not required. You can see here, no mandatory, this is not mandatory. Okay, you can make them empty. Okay, set register date, yeah, register date also is not mandatory, so we can remove it as well. So address, we can simply give the address as well. From the order details, we can simply give the user address. Okay, that we are posting for the order. Okay, so IP, set IP, so set IP is also not required, so we can left it. And set city, set city, we can give that from the order details as well. Okay, so here we can give the city as well. And then the content country, country, if the Turkey by default, then you can give the default country as Turkey. Otherwise you can just use this order details, and here pin code. Okay, so now once again, here we are going to give the shipping address. In shipping address, here name, then city, then country, and then address, and then pin code. And billing address, in billing address, user address must come. Here I think we are not fetching the user address here. Here we are not fetching the user address, but you can simply fetch the user address from the user ID. We have the user ID, but right now I am just putting the delivery address here, but you can fetch the user address from the user ID, that we have done lot of time earlier as well. Okay, that is simple, but I am just updating it with the delivery address, because I don't have that much time. So to save time, we can simply give it, because we are just testing it, this one. So but you can update at your end. You can just give here the user address. Okay, city, country, address, and here pin code. Okay, so here the products will come, like these are having the three products details, first, second, third. But we are not going to give these product details here, it will make our task more complex. We will just give one product. In that one product, we are going to pass the order ID. Okay, and there is no requirement that complete details. User can just check, just log in into the website and can check the complete details. So that much information is not required. So we are going to hide this second and third basket that is not required at all. Okay, so we are going to hide this one, second basket, as well as the third basket. Okay, and we just modify the first basket here. Okay, so like here in set id we will pass the order id only. Okay, in set name we can pass anything like the order id we can pass here. In set name we can simply pass here the order id. Okay, here we have the order id in session that also once again we can pass. Oh, okay, we are also using here with same thing. Okay, so here like this. After that, category 1, in category 1 we can simply put here the stack developers products. You can simply add here your brand name. Okay, and this one you can left empty, and this set price you are going to have that grand total price. Okay, and that's it. Okay, our code is ready now to pay. Let's see, I'm going to hide dd now and we'll try to make the payment. I'm going to refresh and we'll see. I'm going to start from the scratch from here, INR 4810. In fact, I'm going to start from the checkout page. Here I'm going to select this easy pay payment gateway. Okay, with these items I'm going to click on place order and see it reached this page. I'm going to click on pay now, and I hope that the EasyPay payment gateway screen will come. And yes, it is coming. EasyPay payment gateway screen has come. So I'm going to log in into the EasyPay account. Okay, you need to create the account in EasyPay like you used to create in PayPal as well. Okay, so here I'm going to log in into the EasyPay account, and if you are going to check for this one, you can simply translate it to English. I don't know Turkey, so but I can translate it. So you can just see, you can log in or sign up for your account with your email address and complete your payment easily. So I'm going to log in into my EasyPay account here, and after login I am going to see here it is asking for the pin. We are going to give the it like this to, because this is the sandbox PayPal account. So here you get the payment screen. So here you just require to add the card details. Okay, you just require to add the card details with expiry date, with the CVC number. Okay, and you can make the payment, and here the complete details are coming here, you can see. Okay, so finally you can able to make the payment. You can see the payment screen here of the iyzico payment gateway, and you can make the payment with this payment gateway. If you are Turkey user, then it will be really easy to integrate this payment gateway at your website. Okay, so like this you can integrate this payment gateway at your end, and if you will find any issue, you can surely contact me. And I want to tell the user, like, this payment gateway is one of the Turkey users who just joined a few days earlier, who just joined the stack developers membership. You can also join as a stack developer member by paying small fees, and can ask for your features to get it integrated in your website, in your Laravel website, Laravel e-commerce website as well. Okay, you can simply join the stack developer YouTube channel, and I recommend to you to join the superior or genius stack developer, so that you will get the customized Laravel feature, customized add-ons, customized Laravel e-commerce website. So you can, I will create the feature for you whatever you want in my website, in your website, and will provide you with complete source code. So you can always join the channel. Otherwise you can get the multi-vendor, complete multi-vendor e-commerce website by joining as a advanced tech developer as well. Okay, so if you have any issues, you can surely contact me, and we will move further with other things. If any of my friends want me to add something in the multi-vendor e-commerce website, then please suggest. Okay, so this multi-vendor e-commerce website is around the corner. We are going to finish it very soon. So also we are working on this Laravel 10 tutorial as well, so please follow this one. In every tutorial you are going to find something new, so I want you to follow the Laravel 10 series as well, in which we are going to create the another e-commerce website with lot of changes. Okay, so please stay tuned. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.